There are moments we will never forget, because who forgets what it feels like to be free at last? To finally tell your own story without restrictions and have the world listen. You never forget the first time or the second time or every time you had the world marvel at your leap. You always recall the very spot you were when you heard that song that moved you without permission. How majestically you walked when you brought the world to attention. You never forget your fights for your life, your battles for your future, your struggles, your strife, and the support you received along the way as you snatched redemption from the jaws of defeat. You never forget the feats that put the world on notice when you solved problems through sheer determination, how your sacrifice evened the odds for an entire nation. There are moments we will never forget, because who forgets the joy of bringing the world together? The faith to keep working for peace and progress in a land where hope reigns eternal.